Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2026 Tesla Model Y, full wrap with the Xpel Stealth Film, window film XR Plus, 70 on the front, 20 on the roof, 30 all the way around the doors. And when we put this in, we run that right to the edge. No gaps. Everything goes in super nice. And the PPF, let's start here with an A-pillar. That A-pillar gets fully wrapped in. This molding comes off, so it goes in nice and clean. Nice and clean all the way back. From the windshield, all the way to the back. Especially when we get right here with this. A lot of guys cut this here. This flexes just enough to go underneath. So when you get that underneath, it looks really, really clean, as you can see. Then we come down to the doors, and these moldings, everything goes underneath. The door handles, we don't cut around them. Clean that up. We tuck everything and wrap it in. Everything gets wrapped in. All the edges, all the doors, wrapped all the way down. These plastic deals pop off with just some clips. We wrap everything underneath. The new Juniper Launch Edition, whatever they want to call it. Different tail, real easy. This and this seam in. Sure, it can be done in one piece. We haven't tried it yet, but we'll try it eventually. This is your bumper. That's a different bumper. And this piece is flat. Usually says dual motor or something there. Took that off. And you'll see everything's underneath. Everything's wrapped in. Everything's really nice. Everything's wrapping into the lights. Same fender as the predecessor. Same doors. Same center. Again, everything's wrapped in. Wrapped in. Wrapped in. Tint's great. Everything's perfect. Not a bunch of dirt in the tint, and everything's lined up perfectly. The mirrors, I do them in one piece. They call for a seam here. I do them all in one. So it really makes it look much better. Our A-pillar and fender, where they meet, all wrapped in. The fender all the way down. Hood nice and clear, matte clear, but no adhesive marks, no mishandling of the film. All our lenses are covered and fully wrapped. Tow hook comes out, wrap inside, wrap the tow hook. All this is wrapped under the tail, or under the lights, not tail lights. All these are wrapped in, and that's it. Everything gets wrapped in. We got to give it another wipe down. Delivers in about 2 hours. But there it is, 2026 Model Y, the new generation of the Model Y. Gotta tell you, the doors close better, bigger seals, interior's different. So definitely an upgrade, which is what it should be. And they're getting better. So I'm still not into the electric cars yet. I'm still looking at gas stuff, waiting for these guys to get just a little bit more experience under their belt before I tackle having to charge and run for chargers all the time. So, but there it is. Great looking vehicle. The new Stealth Gray gloss paint. Now it's Stealth Matte Xpel's Ultimate Plus Stealth. Paint protection film comes with a 10-year written guarantee. Our lifetime installation guarantee is by us at Clearbrow, North Dallas. Remember, your manufacturer covers the product. We cover the installation. Any questions? I'm Brent. Cell 940-703-8301. Landline 214-414-3809 or 940-600-1308. Gmail, clearbrawnorthdallas@gmail.com. And don't forget to like us if you have any questions. Shoot them across the comments. I appreciate all you guys watching and look forward to shooting another video for you here in just a little bit. We got a McLaren over there and a couple Z06s and a Ferrari California, and then this RS Q8 coming up after this. This is a really good looking Porsche. This young lady painted this up right. She did everything on order, custom order, and it looks really good. I think it's a very classy looking 911. So just read a new article. The #1 car in 5 years, less than 13% depreciation is #1, 911. 718's in there, and then another Porsche I forgot. So anyway, that's a side note, but take care. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day.